Hi everybody, how are you all? My name is Anthony and I'm going to be with you for a couple of different episodes. I was making music, and particularly rhythmical music, without having any instruments. So this is for Cruinniú 2021, so it's a challenge to any of you watching. Go make your own music. I'll show you some things that you could possibly do, but you know, make your own fun. Go get your own instruments. Anything you can make a song what's going to work. So over the next couple of episodes, I'll be going around my house, getting some different pieces from different rooms and putting them together and making a short musical piece with them, and I'll show you guys how it goes along. You can play along what you like, just to kind of make it funky. That's how it's going to be. So first thing we need to do is find some stuff we're going to make music with. So I opened the drawers in my kitchen, I found some stuff, and these guys normally are salad bowls. Do they make a sound? I like that. Very nice. Or you could be. So we get a sound out of those. Those guys are in. Excellent. Now you might actually need some drumsticks. So you might have any drumsticks lying around your house. Hopefully you do, but if you don't, a couple of wooden spoons really make excellent drumsticks. You can play with these guys really well. So with that then, I need to get some stuff that I'm going to make some sounds with. Now, I had a look around. Got this nice cardboard container. Test it out first, see can you get a sound out of it. I like the sound of this. Excellent, so that's in. Might need a couple of more surfaces to play on. Some plastic items are usually pretty good. This I use for making juice in the morning and get a nice sound. That's going to come in handy. I'm going to keep that one. And it's got a little brother. Beautiful. I'm going to keep that too. So I can put those guys together. Now I might need a bigger sort of sound, maybe a little bit bassier. So nice plastic container. Protein powder. All the best stuff, huh? Can I get a sound out of it? Yes, I can. I like that, and I'm going to put that in. So basically, that's our kind of top and our bottom end covered. Now I want to get some kind of higher pitched sound. So saw these beautiful guys. Normally they're measuring cups, okay, but they really work very well because of the different pitch of all the instruments. Now you can play all these guys together as a group, or you can play them separately. So, check it out. Almost. I'll put those guys in. They sound great, and I can use them individually. Like that. Nice. So I put that in. So, no, some things you might get that maybe don't sound so good. Well, maybe this sounds good to you, but I'd struggle to see where that's going to work. Plus I might get my fingers caught in it, so be careful. Anyway, I won't use that one, but the other cats I'm going to use, I'm going to put them together in an arrangement, and I'm going to make some music with them. So the idea is that you're going to find your own stuff in different parts of your house, and you're going to make music with them, and you're going to send your videos into us, and we're going to have fun watching them. So let's make some music. There's only one rule: make it funky. See you in a minute.